Good morning, students. I am SK Tiwari TGT Mathematics from Kendriya Vidyalaya Masrak. Please welcome in our online classes. Today I am going to teach you class 7 mathematics of chapter 2, continued part 5, fractions and decimal. In our earlier classes in part 4, we have discussed about the subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction, as well as the multiplication and division of decimal also. Students, in this class we will study about the places of decimals and its values, how we can allocate the decimals in tabular form. Students, you can see how well have you learned about decimal numbers. You have learned about decimal number in the earlier classes also. Let us briefly recall them. Now look at the following table and fill up the blank spaces. Suppose any number 253.147. If you have to write, how you can write the number in the tabular form? So you see, you start from the right side. In the thousands place you will write 7, while in hundreds place you will write 4, in tens place you will write 1, in ones place you write 3, in tens place you write 5, and hundreds place will be 2. So this number can be arranged in the table like this one, and that will be the obtaining number 253.147. Suppose in tabular form, any table it has given in thousands place 1, in hundreds place 2, in tens place 3, ones place 9, tens place 2, hundred place it is 6. So number what you can write very easily, that will be 629.321. So 629.321 can be arranged in this way. Now you see the next number 514.251. How you can arrange in tabular form? In thousands place you can write 1, in hundreds place you can write 5, in tenths place you can write 2, in ones place it will be 4, tens place 1, and what will be the hundred place? Can you tell? It will be 5. So 514.251 can be written like this one. You arrange the another number 236.512. So in hundreds place it will be 2, in thousands place it will be 2, hundreds place it will be 1, tens place it will be 5, and ones place 6, tens place will be 3, and what will be the hundred place? You can find out, it will be 2. That will be 236.512. So 236.512 can be written, if we can start from the right side, 2, 1, 5, 6 and 3, 2. Like this one, you can arrange the number in the tabular form. Now multiplication of decimal numbers. Suppose Resma purchased 1.5 kg vegetable at the rate of rupees 8.50 per kg. How much money should she pay? Certainly it will be rupees 8.50 multiplied by 1.50. Both 8.5 and 1.5 are decimal numbers, so we have come across a situation where we need to know how to multiply two decimals. Let us now learn the multiplication of two decimal numbers. You multiply very easily 8.5 and 1.5. You can obtain the answer. Only you have to remember that after multiplying and in both steps adding by placing the decimal, you should have to place two digit from the right. So in answer, very simply you multiply and place the decimal after two digit from the right. Now once you see another multiplication 0.1 into 0.1, that is 0.1 can be written 1 by 10. So we can write 0.1 into 0.1, that is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that will be 1 by 100, and resultant will be 0.01. This is also one method by converting the decimal into the fractions, and after converting you multiply simply and get down the final fractions and convert into the decimals. Now how we can represent this one? With the help of figure, that is by showing the fraction of the whole. You see this picture, one whole is divided into 10 parts and one part is shaded, so this is 1 by 10. Like the same you can make 1 by 10 in another figure, and if we can multiply the final resultant, you can see with the help of 2.14 figure. So figure 2.14 is the final resultant of 0.1 multiplied 0.1, that is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. So resultant will be 1 by 100. Obviously you are seeing the table that there are 100 parts, so in one square form it is divided into 100 smaller squares, and out of this one first one is shaded, so this can be represented 1 by 100 of the whole square form. Students, if you feel any kind of difficulties, problems, any doubts, please welcome you after watching the videos you share to me. Thank you.